Happy Women's Day to all the women out there. And on the occasion of Women's Day, I thought of making a reel on what can be consumed by mothers who are breastfeeding the child. Hi, I'm Dr. Samida and I'm a child specialist. So, first thing you should know is that the breast milk is produced from the blood of the mother and not from the food that is consumed. So, you don't have to worry so much. You can eat whatever you want to eat. Just ensure that it is high in calories, it is high in proteins. So, what you can consume is dal, millet, poultry, dairy products, paneer, ghee, yes, because it's a good fat, but too much of ghee can be avoided because there are no studies which show that if you increase the intake amount of ghee, then you will have more milk. So it is not like that. Other than this, you should continue consuming fish in case you are a non-vegetarian and food that is high in protein. One thing you have to limit is your consumption of caffeine. So, in a day, you have to limit the consumption of coffee or tea to 2 cups. There is 2 cups combined. So, you should not over exceed the amount of coffee or tea that you are taking because, as per AAP guidelines and also as per WHO, the amount of caffeine has to be limited to less than 150 to 200 mg per day. That easily makes 2 strong cups of coffee or tea. Other than this, also try to avoid green tea or herbal tea when you are breastfeeding your child because it is proven in some of the studies that it can reduce the amount of breast milk that is secreted because of the inhibitors that are there in the herbal tea. Also, it is not very much studied. So, during your lactation period, that is during the initial 6 months, try to avoid it and also increase the calorie intake to 550 kilocalories. That is, you have to increase your amount of food that you eat during the pregnancy. And during breastfeeding, you have to increase it further. That is, you can include 2 extra meals in your day, which will take care of the extra 550 kilocalories. And breastfeeding itself will make you lose your extra gained weight. So don't worry about the weight gain. Hope all this helps and happy motherhood. Thank you.